Assalamualaikum. Stand up fast. Part 3. Topic: Let's find the young ones. आओ जानवरों के बच्चे तलाश करें. Listen and repeat. सुनो और दोहराओ. डॉग, पपी. पपी मतलब पिल्ला. द पपी इज स्टैंडिंग एट द विंडो. विंडो मीन्स खिड़की. काऊ, काल्फ. काल्फ मतलब बछड़ा. द calf is sitting on the grass. Grass means घास. Duck, duckling. Duckling मतलब बतख का चूजा. The duckling is swimming in the pond. Pond means तालाब. Cat, kitten. Kitten means बलूंगड़ा. The kitten is sleeping under the table. Hen, chick. Chick means चूजा. The chick is hopping over the basket. Basket मतलब टोकरी. Deer, fawn. Fawn means हरनौटा. The fawn is behind the tree. Lion, cube. Cube means शेर का बच्चा. The cube is playing near the den. Den means कचार. Horse, foal. Foal means बछेरा. The foal is standing in front of the stable. Stable means अस्ताबल. Sheep, lamp. Lamp means बर्रा. The lamp is standing between the two sheep. Sheep मतलब भेड़. Thank you.